Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to English teachers class. Today we are going to solve the bookwork of the Day of Conquest. So let's start it. Answer the following questions. Question number 1 is, why did Ali wake up late? And its answer is, he kept studying till late at night, that's why he could not wake up at early in the morning. Question number 2 is, what did Ali see on the road? Did he help the old man? And its answer is, Ali saw an old man laying on the road. Yes, he helped the old man. Here is the question number 3. What happened when Ali reached the examination hall? And its answer is, when Ali reached the examination hall, he was breathing heavily and his whole body was sweating profusely. Profusely is a word according to British and American pronunciation. We have already used this word in our vocabulary and in sentences. Profusely. It often causes a problem for me. His teacher noticed him with concern and gave him the question sheet. Question number 4 is, what is the main theme of the text? And its answer is, the main theme of the text is, virtue never goes unrewarded. Here is next question. Read the given paragraph and write its main idea. And here is the paragraph. Exam stress can affect anyone. You might be worried about doing enough revisions. It can seem scary to talk about stress or anxiety. Exam stress is a feeling of pressure that many young people feel coming up to exam time. It usually occurs during the revision period, before exams, and immediately before the exam. For some students, when they experience too much stress, it affects their health and exam preparation. Study seems impossible due to the stress issue. Stress causes a loss of appetite or overeating. It can result in sleeping poorly or struggle to get out of bed. Students often face difficulty getting motivated to start work. And here is its main idea. Exam stress is a feeling of pressure that many young people feel coming up to exam time. For some students, when they experience stress, it affects their health and exam preparation. It causes poor sleep and poor performance in exams. Here is our next question. Find the meanings of these similes. Use these words in sentences of your own in your notebook. And here is the similes and their meanings. As black as coal, to show blackness. Sleep like a log, sleep very soundly. As sweet as a sugar, friendly or kind. As cold as ice, cool. Sings like an angel, beautiful voice. As wise as an owl, compared with wise person. And here is their use in sentences. As black as coal, crow is as black as coal. Sleep like a log, you are going to sleep like a log tonight. As sweet as a sugar, her grandmother is as sweet as a sugar. As cold as ice, the cold drink is as cold as ice. Sing like an angel, she sings like an angel. As wise as an owl, Essen is as wise as an owl. And here is our next question. Take the sentences with possessive form of animate nouns. Ali's clock is not working. It's Ali with apostrophe S. That's why it is animate noun. So it's possessive animate noun. It's correct. My father's health is not good. It's also correct. The tap of water is not working. Here is no apostrophe. That's why it's cross. The stones of the mountain are grey. It's also wrong. Asma's book is missing. It's correct. Read the given examples and circle the linking words. I have highlighted the linking words in the following sentences. My father is an engineer. The weather quote words. They have become very famous. He seems intelligent. The moon is brighter today. And our diary is, learn the comprehension questions and practice the bookwork on your book and your notebook. Thank you.